Hello folks, welcome to another video. This is most probably the last mail call of the year 2025. So let's get right to it. We ordered, I would say, participated in multiple auctions and ordered a couple of exotics as well. So first thing first, these are the ones we got from auctions. But whatever you're seeing, these are mostly HotWheels exotics miniseries from the mainland. So as I shift my focus to collect them, so I'm trying to collect everything from the modern era. So this one is the Aston Martin 177. The next one is from the 2021 series in battle. So this is a fantastic casting, so it's harder to find. So I think if I'm reaching out to the folks who also have factory seal, did not like throw away yet those fantasy castings, those I have to collect to fulfill all of the sets that I'm trying to collect. So the target is to get at least from 2016 till up to now. So I think I'm 20 cards left. I'll show you all later on the video that which are the ones that we need. The next piece, I know I got a couple of more fantasy castings from this dude. Very helpful guy from West Coast. Helped me to finish some of this series. This is the one from Aston Martin DBS. Not sure exactly which year it is, but it's prior to 2020 for sure. The next up is I think Gotera. Yep. So this is also from 2021. As you can see, this is factory sealed because it's harder to get these ones fresh intact. I will later on create a video of my whole collection so far. It's been quite a few journey for this year for me. This is one I got this from one of my good friends from Ontario Diecast, Philip. He helped me like sort out most of the JDM stuff from 2021 to up to now. So the first thing is Quensec Jesco. This is forgot the year, but maybe 2019ish. Whatever it is, but it's one of prior to 2020 for sure. Next up is Jaguar X220. This is I think from 2019 or 2020. So whatever you're seeing is mostly old stuff. I'm trying to complete the new set. Next we have McLaren P1 in matte black shade. I collect McLarens as well, but this one is very cool in terms of the color and everything. So moving on to the next one, we have another McLaren P1. This is also I would say cool in terms of the color casting. This is prior to 2020 if I'm not mistaken. Next we have here is Celero GT. This is fairly fresh, I think 2023 maybe. This completes the set. I think I have just one more to go from fantasy casting from 2020. Next we have the classic 17 Pagani Roadster. So as you can see, mint condition. Definitely appreciate Philip who helped me to complete the series. Next we have Bugatti Chiron from 2016. Blister's not in the best shape. I think it might have been opened, but it's okay. It's okay. As long as we have the entire series set, we can very good. It's hard to have blisters intact from 2016. So next we have Aston Martin TBS one, another version of it. We have Aston Martin 177. Should be 2017 or 18. I forgot the year, but close to a time frame. Sort them out. So moving on, we have Lotus Esprit S1. We have not seen many Lotus yet. in the recent days. I'm not sure if it's a like something issue or not. Another one is Bentley Continental Super Sports. This is also a classic one. Classic means before 2020. We had McLaren Senna from the Forza Motorsports 4 set series, featuring that. So next up we have Lamborghini. I think it got miscommunicated. I wanted the old one. I got the new one from 2023 looking for prior 2020, and this is another Aston Martin 177. So I have two of this now, which was not the intention, but it's okay. We have Lamborghini Venmo. This is a very cool one. The green color looks very good on this one. Moving on, McLaren 720S. I've not seen this one before in the recent days. Mostly F101. This is another cool casting, Acura NSX. It's really cool. I like the decal of it. So last but not least, we have Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. Different color. I mean, rims not the best, but we do. And we have Lamborghini Roadster. These are all prior to 2020. So, and also Lamborghini Urus 17. So see, that's what I'm trying to collect. So 2016, 17, 18, I'm halfway there. 2019, 2021, it's almost there. It's just one or two cards, and I've completed 2022 to 25, and 2026 is also going strong. So what I'm trying to do is complete the entire set. So from 2016 to up to now. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and see you next time.